Looking to build muscle, shed fat, or improve your metabolism without emptying your wallet? Protein is the foundation for achieving these goals. It helps repair muscle, keeps you fuller for longer, and boosts your overall health. But with grocery prices skyrocketing, finding affordable high-protein options can feel like a challenge. Here's the good news. You don't need fancy protein powders or expensive meats to hit your daily protein goals. In fact, there are plenty of nutritious and budget-friendly protein-packed foods you can easily add to your diet. From pantry staples to versatile superfoods, these options are both wallet-friendly and packed with nutrients. Stick around because we're breaking down 10 amazing high-protein foods that are easy on your budget. Number 8 might just surprise you. Number 1. Lentils. Lentils are a budget-friendly protein powerhouse that costs as little as 33 cents per serving. These tiny legumes pack a big nutritional punch, offering 9 grams of protein per half cup cooked. Not only are they high in protein, but they're also loaded with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied. Use them in soups, stews, curries, or even salads. Want to try something creative? Lentils can even be used to make veggie burgers or meatless meatballs. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most versatile, affordable, and nutrient-packed protein sources available. At just a few cents per egg, they offer 6 grams of protein each and contain essential nutrients like vitamin D and choline. Always eat the whole egg because the yolk holds half the protein content and most of the nutrients. Whether scrambled, poached, boiled, or baked, eggs are a simple yet effective way to meet your protein goals. Number 3. Canned tuna. Canned tuna is an affordable and convenient complete protein source that offers 20 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. It's low in calories, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and has a long shelf life, making it a pantry staple. Opt for chunk-light tuna, which is lower in mercury, and use it to whip up sandwiches, salads, or pasta dishes. It's the perfect choice when you need a quick, high-protein meal on a budget. Number 4. Peanut butter. Natural peanut butter is a delicious and budget-friendly protein source, providing 8 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. It's also rich in healthy fats and essential vitamins. Spread it on whole grain toast, add it to smoothies, mix it into oatmeal, or pair it with fruits like bananas or apples for a protein-packed snack. With its versatility and affordability, peanut butter is a must-have in any kitchen. Number 5. Dry chickpeas. Chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, are a fantastic plant-based protein option that's both affordable and nutritious. They provide 15 grams of protein per cup cooked, along with fiber and essential minerals like iron. You can roast them for a crunchy snack, toss them into salads, or blend them into homemade hummus. Chickpeas are also excellent for weight management and regulating blood sugar levels, making them a smart addition to any diet. Number 6. Tofu. Tofu is a protein-rich, budget-friendly staple that's especially popular among vegetarians and vegans. A single serving, which is 3 ounces, provides 8 grams of protein, and it's incredibly versatile. While tofu may taste bland on its own, it absorbs flavors like a sponge, making it perfect for marinades, stir-fries, or soups. Whether steamed, fried, or grilled, tofu is a nutrient-packed addition to your meals. Number 7. Black beans. For less than 20 cents per serving, black beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Just 1 cup of cooked black beans provides 15 grams of protein, making them a great addition to soups, stews, and salads. Feeling adventurous? Black beans can even be used to make high-protein brownies. They're also high in fiber, which keeps you full and supports gut health. Number 8. Sardines. Sardines may not be the first food that comes to mind when you think of protein, but these little fish are a nutritional powerhouse. They provide 23 grams of protein per can, along with vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids. Plus, they're extremely affordable and convenient. Enjoy them on crackers, mix them into salads, or simply eat them straight from the can with a squeeze of lemon juice for a quick, protein-packed snack. Number 9. Plain Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein-packed snack that's perfect for any time of day. A single cup of plain Greek yogurt contains 20 grams of protein, making it an excellent post-workout option. It's also rich in calcium and probiotics, which support bone health and gut health. Add it to smoothies. Mix it with fruit, or use it as a base for creamy salad dressings. For the best bang for your buck, opt for large tubs of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Number 10. Oats. Oats aren't just a great source of fiber, they're also surprisingly high in protein. A single cup of cooked oats contains 6 grams of protein, making them a fantastic base for a high-protein breakfast. To supercharge your oatmeal, mix in peanut butter, Greek yogurt, or a sprinkle of hemp seeds. Oats are incredibly affordable, with bulk rolled oats costing less than $2 per pound, making them a staple for budget-conscious shoppers. Eating high protein doesn't have to cost a fortune. From lentils to Greek yogurt, these 10 budget-friendly foods prove that you can hit your protein goals without breaking the bank. Not only are these options affordable, but they're also packed with essential nutrients to fuel your body and keep you feeling your best. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on eating healthy, saving money, and living your best life. What's your go-to budget-friendly protein source? Let us know in the comments below. Share this video with someone looking for affordable ways to stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.